Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out of BeReal app on your iPhone, iPad or Android phone. So open up the BeReal app on your phone. If you're not updated the app, then you need to update it from the Play Store or the App Store. So once you're here, log into your account. Now click on the profile picture at the top right corner. Now again you need to click on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. Now you are here on this screen. Now at the bottom you can see the logout option. Okay, so simply click on the logout option. Now it will ask you to confirm here. Okay, it will ask you to confirm. Simply click on confirm here and it will simply log you out here. Alright, now again in order to log in again, you need to simply get started and simply log in. So this is how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.